Wow. Alright guys, nakuha na natin yung sports car. Prank ka ba? Hindi.
Na-prank. Akala ko pula.
Uwi na muna tayo habang maliwanag pa.
Early sun on my face, out back roads, wide open space. Back the gear, yeah, we're on the way. Rowing daily, living day by day. Rowing and Jackie, we're on the road. Every mile, stories unfold. Suzuki Vitara, rolling slow. Haunted tracks where the good vibes go. Windows down, feel that brace. Chasing trains with days. No worries, just the view. Australia, me and you. Rowing in Jackie Low. Buhai, Australia. Road trip floors, sky so blue. Camping nights under the stars. Fishing lines in open court. In Jackie Low. Save the time, travel, drive and drive and drive. From the coast to the outback land. Living life just how we planned.
There we have the aubergine ciabatta,
Yeah, right
the
here.
sandwich,
Thank you.
and the coffee creme brulee.
Guys, quick stop. Gutom na talaga. Alas 6 na ngayon ng hapon. Ang huling kain namin, alas 12 pa yata yun. Since nag-bus nga tayo papunta ng Adelaide, although may bus stop naman, pero mabilis ang kain lang. Mag alas 4 na rin, nung dumating kami ng Adelaide. Tinanong ko kaagad si boss, ano, kaya mo pa ba? Hinahabol kasi namin yung dealership bago mag alas 5 na makuha namin yung sasakyan. At para makauwi na rin kami kaagad habang maliwanag pa. At ayaw ko rin kasi bumiyahin ng gabi at hindi ko kabisado itong sasakyan kasi bagong bilingan natin. At paglabas nga natin dito sa Bel Air, buti na lang may nadaanan tayong town. Small town lang siya pero kompleto naman lahat at importante merong restaurant kaya kumain muna kami dito kasi sobrang gutom na talaga namin ni boss, sakit na ang ulo namin. Sabi ko hindi ko kaya mag-drive kaya kakain muna tayo. O siya, hanggang dito na lang. Yung full link ilalagay ko sa baba. At kung gusto mo pa ng Buhay Australia content, follow for more.